So guys, ano to siya? Lunch na to. And, dinner na to. Lunch and dinner. Mix. And we put now our pre-boiled na mugo. Laka na siya guys. Ayan. Mikos-mikos. Mikos-mikos after. Lagyan na natin ang water. Water na tagalog. So, konti muna ang water. One more. Ayan, malaming water. Dito lang. Ayan. Ayan. Takip. Ayan. So, wala siyang guys. Walang subak. Dahil ayaw ko sa munggos na may subak. Miguel shoutout sa inyo dyan. 2 million viewers. So, after the kale, pag na siya, boiled na siya ng boiled. And I have here a juice, guys, from our garden. Ito siya, hindi ko siya naubos. Madami siya rito. Ito siya, madami siya rito. Madami. Miguel, shoutout. Ciao. Ayan. Hindi pa ko tapos. Ayan, madami siya dyan. Ciao, udaklisi. Oh, stegla sam is Filipinima. Udakli. Stegla sam o Filipinima. So it's a pure organic juice, orange juice from our yard. Oh my God, Lord. It's all around sarsa tayo rito. So kakapos ko lang mag-vacuum. And also, I'm so busy, guys. After. And let's cheers. It's organic from yard. Miguel, shout out, 3 million viewers in the house. It's so sweet. Even though I did not put anything sugar or something like, it's organic. So it's fresh from the garden. From our garden. Happy Wednesday. Good day. So I like the mungo that it's a lot of leafy vegetables. It's either spinach or kale. I like kale also. This one is a kale. This one is a kale. Here, this one is a kale. I like kale. It's boiling. We needed. Miguel, shout out. Lara Dovniekina. Miguel, shout out. $12 million viewers in the house. Miguel, shout out. So this is lunch and dinner. So I do not take my lunch. It's already 5:30. So my lunch is this orange juice. And chips from Philippines. This is the best chips in Philippines. This is not sponsored, but I like it. So I take already one piece. $4 million viewers. Miguel, shout out. Hi.